Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 96 of Building the Batmobile from the Batman Classic TV series. In this issue, we're doing the last little bit to the back end of the bodywork, I think, for a little while anyway. After looking at Ring Around the Riddler, obviously we have the Riddler. As Frank Gorshin, apparently, was the Riddler. Yeah, I vaguely remember him. It looks different without his mask on, obviously. There we go. This was 96 from September 21st, 1967. Batman becomes a boxer. It's the one where Batman faces the Riddler in the ring. Try saying that one quick. Batman versus Dracula in Red Rain. Arkham Manor. Oh, it's like Wayne Manor, but Arkham from Batman 15. Batman's character's 75th anniversary in 2014, apparently. There we go. Bruce Wayne stepped back and a surprising candidate steps up. It's going to be Robin, isn't it? I don't know. Sees Rayman's rival. For a new status quo, Batman going undercover. Strange. Okay, I don't know who that was, but if you want to read all the words, feel free. I'm not going to read them all now. There we go. That's all of that. There you go. So this is what we've got. We've got the trunk lid working hinge mechanism before fitting to your model. So we've got a trunk lid to put the hinge on, then a lock prop catch apparently, and then fitting that to the body itself. And then we put the body aside for a little while, which we work on other things. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it done. So this is what we've got. We've got our trunk, which we're going to flip over and fit these bits to. Now they are different apparently. They go in different angles, different directions. So we've got the bits that have got to go outwards. So this is going to go this side like that. That one is going that side like that. And we have 8M screws to hold that together. They have for fitting it to the car. This also needs to go onto there, facing outwards, with another 8M screw. So we need 5 8M screws. And I conveniently got 5 out. That's quite well done. So these will all tighten up in there. Then done a little bit. That one over that side as well. Just like that. And the last screw from this will go into that catch. If I got it the right way round, which is that way round. That one will go in there like that. So let's get these tightened up. Then bring in the body itself. And fit this in. There's not much to do, and I've got the body just beside me here, so I'll get this all screwed up and done live. It's about time I had a slightly longer video anyway. So let's get all of these tightened. There we go. And one more screw to do. Now these other catch pieces are being held in place with CM screws, and we need 4 of those. So let's get those out now. 3, one more. Come on, just one more. Out you come. Come on. The 3 came out really easy. Why was the last one not wanting to know? There we go. So then that can go off to one side. I've got those and those ready for that, which is going to fit to here. Now, because of the big spiky exhaust pipes, I can't lay it down conveniently anymore. So it's going to have to be sort of like that. This is going to go through from the inside, or from the outside rather. they will position over that. Right, hang about. I can't get them on there now because I've tightened that down. If I open it more, maybe. There we go. So they'll go in there. And then when that closes, it closes up nicely. So these need to go across there. Like that. While trying to hold this in place with one hand. Not the easiest of things to do. Would have been easier if we could just lay this down again, but there you go. I'd have done this bit before the windscreen and the other thing. So, yeah, there we go. That's going to go in there like that. I'm going to do it down out of the way, the other side, and get these tightened up, but I'll come back and show you when they're done. And there we go, installed. Nice. It doesn't stay balanced. It doesn't stay open when you open it, but I don't know if there's going to be some sort of catch or whatever, but it's all nice and tight and fitted properly. So it'll open, you can see what's inside there, and then obviously it will close up and look like a closed boot. Trunk, sorry, it's American, it's a trunk. So there we go, that is that, all done and looking good. I like how this is coming together. The black and red is obviously my channel colour scheme anyway, so it's going quite nice. There's a little bit more to go on here, don't know what that is. But for now, that's that. I can put this aside for now, because next few issues we're going to be dealing with the door, starting with the first door. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.